guys, today you're going to learn about a concept known as speciation, okay? We are going to do an Edpuzzler and a very quick lesson for me today. All right, so speciation. If you look at all these fish on the screen, we have a swordfish here, and let's say we have this fish that's green, we'll call it a bass. Could these two fish ever interbreed? Could these two fish mate and make a baby? No, of course not. You know that right away. So we would say that these two organisms are different species of fish. All right, but now we go and look at all these birds, and these are the different finches that Darwin saw on the Galapagos Islands. And it leads us to the question, are these different species of finch? Or are they the same species, but they just look differently? So Darwin thought that all finches came from one ancestor, and then based on where they lived and what food sources available, they became different species. Well, in speciation, if you put these same birds back together, so if you put this cactus, this ground finch, and then this cactus finch, and this cactus finch together, you put these two, the ground and the cactus finch together, would they actually interbreed, or are they actually new species? So today you're going to find out how speciation occurs. We're going to be on page 54 in our packet, so I would take notes on page 54. As you take notes on speciation, you can use those notes on tomorrow's quiz every week. On Friday, on the last day of the week, you're going to have a quiz on everything you learned that week. So speciation is one of the concepts that you will see on the quiz. So today, for today's lesson, you're going to click on the next link and you are going to do the Edpuzzle. For an Edpuzzle, if you haven't done it before, you're going to play the video, and as you play the video, there will be checkpoints that you need to stop and answer a question. You will notice that you can't fast forward through the Edpuzzler, so just go ahead and sit tight for 8 minutes, answer all the questions, and then I will get your response when you are finished. All right, guys. If you have questions for me, you know where to find me. Between 1 and 2, you can find me on my Zoom channel, so click on it. If you don't understand speciation, ask me right away. Don't wait until you take the quiz and then you realize that you don't understand it. All right, guys, have a great day.